What is happening here? File permissions we are talking about. So if you see here, rwx read, write, execute, then rws is not available for this type of user. Read and execute is allowed for this type of user. There is some group, some IDs, then the user, the group, the size, and when this file was created, and the file name, right? This is the common format of files, as I already shown to you, right? You see here, the permissions are here, then there is a particular some ID, then the name, then this group, this is the user, and this is what? This is group, and then the some size of the file, and when this file or folder was created, and file or folder name. So this is the meaning. Now we'll talk about hyphen. Means just hyphen, flag is not set, means that is file, else that is what? Directory. R means file is
readable.
great.
Readable.
W means file is writable.
Yes.
For directory, files may be created or removed. X means file is
Executable.
yeah, executable, right? So let's see in detail the binary and octal preposition of permission flags. So I am going to little describe this one, right? So here see 3 digits are there, binary 000
Yes.
means no permission, means if any is no, if any number is totally blank means no permission, right? Now 1, so binary permutation is just 1 is starting from here, right? If 1 means execute permission, if 01 means
We can write on.
Right on.
01 value of octal is in octal 10 is 2. If you convert this now in octal, you will get 2. So this is write only. See how this is 10 then 11, filling this 1 now. This is
Write and execute.
Yeah, write and execute. Because this one is also and this one is also here. 1 is here, 1 is here. Here was also 1, here is also 1. So that's why both are
Yes.
both are containing here, na?
Write and execute.
Yes.
Now it's a third digit created, right? And this equivalent octal number is
3.
3. Now see 100 means
Read only.
read only. Both are 00. Now here see 101. This is read only. Read
And this
is and this is 1. What is the 1?
So write.
No,
Execute.
no. Execute. So this happened.
Read and execute.
Read and execute.
Read and execute.
Equivalent octal number is
5.
5.
Five.
Now you have placed one bigger number from this is this one. 110. So this is 1 read and this is 1. This one is
Right.
this
Right.
one is
Right.
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 So read and write.
Right.
Octal equivalent is
6.
6. All are triple 1. Means
Yes.
read,
We can read
Full permission.
write, read, write and
Execute.
execute, write, read. All 3 are na?
Yes. Sir.
Full
Yes, sir.
permission means 7.
7.
Right? So why am I telling this one? Let me explain next. And you see here RWX, each digit meaning RWX.
Read.
Read,
First
write,
was read, write,
second,
execute.
and then
Execute.
All are 0, no permission.
Yes,
Here
sir.
001. This is
Execute.
Right.
X, sir.
X1 means execute only.
Execute only.
So if you see the meaning of this, here RWX, I don't know, I will see some values for this one, but there is execute, write and read permission for here, right? Now there are 3 types of user here. One user has read, write and execute permission, right? So these are the 3 binary representation RWX, and basis of this you can tell anything, na? This one you can tell anything. Suppose
Yes, sir.
now I think you become smart now on this one. Let me how. This is RWX. If I am writing 001 means what is the permission?
Execute only.
Execute only. If 101, what is the permission?
Read and execute.
Read and execute only.
Execute.
010, what is the meaning?
Write and execute.
Write only.
Write only. And here what is the equivalent octal number will be there, we can convert. What is the equivalent octal number? This one
1.
1 into 8 to the power 0 1.
Yes.
What is this? 1 into 8 to the power 0
5.
plus 0 into 1 8 to the power 1 plus 1 into 8 to the power 2,
2.
right?
Yes.
Oh, something is wrong. This is octal binary. Actually, this is guys. This is binary.
Decimal.
This is binary. So actually, we are converting into decimal, right?
Decimal.
So how we can convert into octal? Tell me first. Convert binary to octal. Anybody? No? How this binary can be converted into octal? No clue. Fast. Even if you can Google and tell me.
Like that way we only
First,
convert.
decimal number. We have to convert it into decimal numbers.
First you have to convert in decimal number, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus 1. How much will getting? 65. Then what will do?
Divide by 8.
Divide by 8, right.
And convert it into octal number.
How much you getting?
1, sir.
Then what will do?
Sir, it will be 1, 8 now.
1, 8.
8.
No.
So maybe that is the decimal conversion of 101 because it is 5.
Definitely this is the decimal conversion. This is. Right? But I want to convert this binary number into octal. Right? So tell me, how can you do? I have a decimal number. Like you already know na, how we convert. I have a number like 5. How I convert into binary? Divide by 2
Just dividing by 2 simultaneously.
and we get this, then 2, right?
Yes, sir. 1 0.
1, this one,
Zero.
na?
0.
This
1
one,
0 1.
we get this. Similarly,
Yes. Yes, sir.
if we know decimal of this, I will get 65 is there. How much we get? Right? Then again 8.
1 1 0. 1 0.
1, but anyhow we are getting
Binary, sir.
but this is not what I am looking for. I am looking equivalent octal. If you see, equivalent octal of 101 is 5. So I think basically binary, the decimal they have written, right? They have
Yes,
written
so that are the same.
decimal, they are written octal, they are telling, but they are, this is the octal basically, decimal only. We are not supposed to using that one which we are supposed to, we are base 8 we are trying to find. This is octal digit written, but this is 0 to 7 only. Right guys? This is not octal. Just understand,
Yes, sir.
this is
This
0,
is
1,
zero.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 7. Because these are the digit of the octal. We are just moving some different direction. So we are getting decimal numbers, but those are the octal digits. So what actually we are just deviated. What we're talking about, I just want to say that 111, then what is the permission?
All of it, right?
Read, write and execute, right?
Execute.
And what is the 111 equal to? 7.
7.
7.
This is 7, right? So if a file have 7, 7, 7, what is the meaning? If a file has
Both
permission,
user group and other have, all user group and other have read, write and execute permission. Yes.
right? So here 3 7 I'm writing, right?
Yes, sir.
Means this is 111, sorry, this is 111 RWX RWX RWX. So if there is a file abc.txt and the permission is RWX RWX RWX, the meaning of 77 permission is this. Correct guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
All have full permission. User, group and others, all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us see some actual example here. So keep this in mind. Just we confused here by octal digit. Basically from here we get the octal digit only, not the octal numbers, right? So now see chmod. Chmod is a function through which we can change the permission to the file, right? The second parameter permission is an octal number with 4 octal digits. 4 octal number with 4 octal digits. So meaning is zero, 7, 7, 7, right? The first is 0, always 0, and next is the permissions here. Second parameter, this one is the octal number with 4 octal digits. First digit always what is 0, second is 5, the permission for the owner. Third for the owners, user group, and fourth is the everyone else. So each digit is the sum of the value of the each type of permission. So execute permission is 1, write is 2,
2,
and read is
4,
3.
you see now here execute is 1,
1,
write is
2,
and read is
4,
4.
4. So by these just 3 numbers you can set the permissions. So again repeat. 1 is for
execute only.
Execute only.
execute only. 2 means
Write only.
Write only.
Write only.
write only. And 4 means
Read only.
Read only.
Read only.
Read only. Read only.
how we are getting read only means you know already RWX, right? 001.
Yes, sir.
You know this is execute.
Execute.
010, this is 2, right?
Right.
And
Right.
and
Yes,
this
sir.
is right, and this is
1, 0, 0.
1,
1,
0.
0, 0.
what is this?
It's for read.
Will you going to forget this any time in this future?
No, sir.
Good.
So
No, sir.
so people are keep struggling with this, know the architecture, this one 1 to 4 and how this is coming, right? So this octal you have to just remember octal digit, and by just adding, subtracting, or just some file is just 7 means
All the permissions.
sorry,
Read and execute.
so all permissions
All
are
the
there.
permissions are given.
By adding all these, na 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 7, right? A file has permission 3. What it means?
Can be write and execute only permission.
Write and execute. A file has 4 permission means
Read only
Read only.
4. Okay, this one, right? A file has 5 permission means
Read and execute and execute.
read and execute. A file has 6 permission means
Write and execute.
Write and read.
And read. Write and read.
write and read. So you see, just by these 3 you are getting all the combinations, na?
Yes, sir.
A file can have 1 permission means
Execute only.
2 means
Write only.
so by these 3 only are you able to get all the combination or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Interesting?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, as I already told you, here if I show my screen, there is 3 sets. This is one set, RWX. So this is one type of user. What type of user this is?
Owner.
Owner of the file, right?
Yes, sir.
Who have created this file, right? So what is the permission of this user? RWX means.
Yes, sir. Read, write, and execute.
All the permissions.
Yeah, the person who has created this flash folder has permission of read, write, and
Execute.
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 Now here R is there, W is missing, X is there. What it means?
Only read
Read
and
and
execute
execute.
permission.
Read and execute permission is there for whom?
It's a group. Owner's group.
Group.
Owner's user group.
For this user group, this staff, right? And what is the permission for others?
So write and execute.
So
Read and execute.
read and execute. So you understand the meaning of the complete na? Every is different, so every different permissions there. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So you understand
Yes,
the
sir.
meaning of this one?
Yes, sir.
You guys are amazing. Believe me, many people keep struggling to know this one. Because, do you know why? Why? Why, guys? Because you are not, you are learn, no, they are not learning like you. Or you can say something else, right? So how we can set permission of a file? Here, see, a file is, this is the file. Here I am writing, the first is octal notation and giving permission 600. What is the meaning of this 600?
Write and read permission to the owner, and rest have no permission.
Rest have no permission. Awesome. Good, good, good. If I am creating a file, I am giving octal. File is already there. I am not creating. File is already there, but I am changing the permission. So 0644 I am giving.
Sir, owner has
Owner
again
can read and write.
and
Order has honor has read and
write.
Right.
Yes.
and group has
And others read only.
group has
Read only.
Just read permission.
just read permission and other have
Read only.
Just read.
Read only.
okay, great, great. You guys are awesome. What is the meaning of this?
So the owner has all permission
Owner has all the
and
permission.
user group has execute and read permission.
5 means execute and read,
Read.
Yes, sir.
and others have also execute and
Read.
Read
read.
permission.
Read.
Read.
Write also.
So here
So owner have permission for everything.
all permissions, read, write,
Yes,
execute.
yes, sir.
What about
And user have permission for read only,
Read only.
and
and other has no permission.
no permission?
No
Yes,
permission.
sir.
So just see a simple practice on this one. How was this exercise, guys? Interesting?
Yes, sir, very much.
Yes, sir. Very much.
Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
thank you. This is giving me energy. Thank you. Suppose that I have a file, file name equal to abc.txt, right? I have already this file, and I can check here or not. Not, I can't check here, right? abc.txt file I have. So if I, what was the command I've sent you? This one, I'm just copying this one, writing this, right? And then abc.txt, okay, it's visible. I'm writing ch. So first of all, let me run this one. What is the file hyphen permission? File hyphen permission dot php. So you see there is a abc.txt.
Yes.
What permission it's have? I am Jay, the user of this machine, owner. Jay has permission. What permission have?
So for only read and
Read
write.
and write.
Read and write for owner, and read for a group, and read for others.
Yes. And now suppose I want to change the permission. Everybody other have read. I do not want to give the permission. So I will type here chmod file name, right, comma, what is the syntax? This one. What I give first? Octal sign 0.
0.
Then I want to not give, I will have what permission? I want for
Read
me,
and write.
I want for me read write. So what I will write here for me read write? 6. And I do not want to give any permission to anybody.
0.
0, 0.
Right? So now see. This is the current permission. See what happened.
Yes, sir. Change permission.
Now
Yes.
the system is not able to read, the others, this group admin will not able to read, or other users not able to read or write or do anything with this file. I am the only person who can do anything with these files. Oh, and it
Yes.
will be only read and write.
Right.
Right.
So
Right.
this is very important concept, guys, and you have while launching your website, making it live, you have, for security reasons, you have to give different permission to the different files according to need of the project. Some files that like you do not want anybody. Some keys are there, some important keys, some password files are there. You do not want someone to be write. Just give one permission, 400 list permission for you, right? So that it will be only read only, right? Got now only that list privilege.
Yes, sir.
What will be the list privilege? 400 for me.
Yes.
I can only read that file. So if that file not need to be executed, not need to be looked by another, and that file is very sensitive, what you should do? What permissions you should set to that file?
Only read permission.
And
Only read permission.
And what is the value for that?
4.
400.
400.
400. So clear about chmod now?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now let's come to the next point. chon. If there are more than one owner in your, or you can make anybody owner. Like chon function attempts to change the owner of the file name to new user. Note that only the super user may change the owner of a file. Right? If this is the file, this is the path, and username is root. So I want to make this user as a owner of this what? File. So if you are super user, then only can change the ownership of a file. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now here like state path. So this give the owner name of the file here. This is the function to check the ownership. So you can try this one, ownership one. So for now I'm just skipping to next point. Then there is a group. Like you are changing here ownership, na, here multiple user can be there, and the super user who is the super user will change the owner of that file, right? Now ch group change. Also the group function, change group function attempts to change the group of the file name to group. So there is some file, right? And it's already printing the what is the file group, it's already printing here. But if I want to change this file name group to admin, I can do using this change ch group. Correct, guys? Just understand, you are not going to change this one. Change owner and change group. Change owner sometimes needed, change group is sometimes needed, but only thing is that whenever needed, what function will you use? Change ch
Group function.
This is the file, and what is the group I am looking for this file?
Admin.
Admin, right? So this is the group admin. And just for now, there are some other file functions are also. If you are looking to create a directory, what is the function to create a directory in PHP? mkdir. So here you can give the directory name, what you want to create, and also you can, it's optional what permission you want to give, right? It's optional what permission you want to give, right, guys? So
Okay.
here is mkdir.php I'm creating. Then here is, suppose that I have $dir path equal to, I'm creating something like dir1/dir2/dir3, right? And then mkdir, this one, I'm just calling this one mkdir.php. No such file or directory. So for now I'm just giving this. So it's already created, right? You see, it's trying to create, it's telling already exist. Suppose new dir new you are created, right? And
Yes.
and if I am creating dir new, dir2 new, dir3 new, something recursive. So what is the format of recursive is this one. First we have to give the permission. Suppose I am giving 077 to this folder, and there is a true. Here I am giving true, right? What will happen? You see what happened? Here previously I was just giving one directory, make directory, it was creating one directory. Also I can set the permission whatever the directory you are creating. If you write the third parameter true, it will look into this string and it will create recursively all the directories, right? Clear, guys? Clear?
Sir, all these are different directories or just the name is written in in that?
All are different directories. See, you can create a file inside one. I click this one now.
Yes, sir.
File hello.txt. See this one. If I click this, sorry, actually I clicked mistakenly. Delete. So the hello.txt, then I'm clicking this hello2.txt, and this is directory hello3.txt. You see, this file is under this directory, this file is under this directory.
Yes, sir. And also, sir, directory 2 is under directory 1, no?
Yes, directory. This is what, na? Where is my code? mkdir, na? This is under this. This is under this, right?
Yes, sir. Got it.
If you will put it false or not do anything, it will not create recursively. It will create only once. And you also putting permission to all the directory. What is permission? 0
Have read, write, and execute permission.
to all the folders. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
You can also remove directory by what command? rmdir. Just write this, put the directory name, it will remove. How you can change the directory through the code? Change directory, put the directory name, you will shift to that directory through the code. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You have to try this one, simple one for your task. Get current working directory. If you want to know, get current working directory. Get echo get, what is that? cwd. I'm just writing this, right? And if you see, what are you getting? This is the current working directory, na?
Current directory, yes, sir.
From application, map, htdocs, vprofile. This is the complete path this is giving. So in the code, you can use current working directory, then whatever you want to do. Here what's doing? Changing directory, right? Current directory change to this directory. So you can change and then that will be the current directory happen, right? In your code, you can change the directory and what will be the current working directory? The changed one?
Yes, sir.
So this is the current working directory. So that's it, guys. This is the file handling, and I think it took lots of time, and it's very, very important to know, right? Guys, was this important or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great,
Yes, sir.
great, guys. So let's have a 15-minute break and let's connect after that, right?